just want to quickly go over and show you what the potential is of these bots. You can see that there's a number of active bots running would be 34. Okay, this number is going to fluctuate as to how many bots and what's happening in the markets at any given time. So it could be 20, it could be 25, it could be 50 bots running. It's all going to be dependent on where the cryptos are at the time when I'm doing the analysis and when we put them on the bots. Okay, so your profit per trade, this is very conservative. You can do this with as little as $500. Okay, your profit per trade is going to be 1 penny. Your number of trades per bot per hour is 1. So your amount you can make per hour is 34 cents. Okay, now this is being very, very, very conservative. I'm going to get into the proof here pretty soon. But your amount per day would be $8. And you could have an estimated earnings of $244. Okay, passive income on autopilot. I teach you guys how to set up these bots and connect it with TradingView so that you don't have to lift a finger. It's constantly trading for you, starting and stopping these bots after they're set up. Okay, so let's go over and I'm going to show you guys the proof. Okay, so let's go over the actual proof here. You can see that today's profit is $2.28, and you can see these are all the bots that I have running right now. Okay, we'll just scroll down. It's showing up to 100 here. I have quite a few active bots. We've got 36. Okay, and I'm still adding new cryptos on a day-to-day basis. I haven't completely finished analyzing all of the cryptos yet, so we'll still be adding and having these active deals go up. So that's why I showed you based on 34 bots running at the time, and 1 penny an hour is ridiculous. It's going to end up being more than that. So these funds locked in, this is the amount of money that's actually being used up by bots right now. The unrealized profit and loss, this is going to fluctuate. This is about $14. So if I closed out all of the bots, there's some that are in green here, but not very many. So realistically, I would be, if I closed out every single bot, at a minus of about $13. Okay, you can see over here we've got a reserve of $108. This is money that's set in limit order trades in the order book, and that's it. So it's not money lost, it's just money that's being used up in limit orders right now. Okay, and then I've still got available 1,600 in USDT. Obviously my balance is more than that. I've got money in other coins. It's not all in USDT. So okay, let's go over to the deals history. Because like I showed you in the Excel spreadsheet, I want to show you how fast these deals are going. Okay, so we just closed out some of these deals. This was today, and this was a duration of 1 minute. Okay, 1 cent, 1 minute. 4 minutes made a penny. Okay, 3 minutes made a penny. 10 minutes made 3 cents. Okay, 4 cents in 3 hours. Okay, that was a longer one. 2 cents in 2 hours. Okay, 35 minutes, 3 cents. 25 minutes, 3 cents. Okay, this is getting paid out in our FRA. I have a short bot running on this, so I do have some short bots running. Okay, a penny in 3 hours. Okay, this was a terrible one, but it was just moving sideways and down a little bit. Okay, 2 cents, 7 minutes, 12 minutes, 3 cents. So you can see how this is all going to fluctuate with the pairs that we've got going. Some is going to be a minute, 3 cents in a minute. Okay, but it's going to all add up. And this is very, very conservative. You can have these settings. You can see that the settings are all the same here. Okay, our buy orders and our stop orders. I teach you guys how to do this in the cryptos room on Discord. You can join Discord, and if you'd like to know what these settings are and watch the videos on how to set up these bots, you can simply get a membership here on YouTube, do the crypto one, and you'll have access right away to these videos. And you're also going to get the list in TradingView to upload, and then you're going to have the list that I go over for the USD pairs as well. You can start setting up these bots and have them running for you as well right away. Okay, Just wanted to show you how fast some of these are here. 9 cents in a minute. Okay. These are all today, right? This is why it's all adding up. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video as to how this is working and how these DCA bots are performing. They're great bots to have up and running, building a nice crypto portfolio and build a nice steady income, compound it, and increase it. I wanted to do this video before I increase what my settings are, because you can actually start the amount of bots that I have running with as little as 500. I don't know if I would chance doing it with less than 500, but I think 500 would be a good starting one. 1,000's even better. Start with this, get your foot wet, set up the bots, and then as you're more comfortable in a week or two, then you can increase your settings. So I'm going to be increasing my settings here today, and then I'll do another video like this again here in a week or two. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.